Alright, sorry. I'm in the middle of eating my breakfast. This is part of my breakfast. The peanut butter really sticks to the roof of your mouth. Alright, how long can we hold that? Not for too long, but for you guys, well. Actually, no, we're not going to drink the whole thing. We're just going to burp. Yay! Yeah, I decided not to drink the whole thing after all. Obviously. Oh, wait, here, watch this. Yay! Oh, yeah, that's somebody's in the other room, so shh. Yikes. I want a fish kebab for breakfast. Well, if I can't burp within like another 10 to 15 seconds, then we're going to call it quits. Did I lie? Yeah, why not? Torture. Burp. Well, I don't think I'll have much more, so